Hi guys, thought I'd just do a quick bike check for you on a 2014 Suzuki GSXR 1000. I've been riding this bike for about 5 years now and I've enjoyed every single minute on it, to tell you the absolute truth. Let's go through a few of the modifications that I've made. Obviously I've got the lenses on the turn signal indicators smoked out, but I've got the high intensity LED lighting which make it more than visible during the day. I've also got the LED driving light and high beam light and parker lights just changed to an LED as well. As well as the rear, I've got the smoked OEM lenses. I've got a fender eliminator on it, and as you can hear, it's got a pretty nice note to it with that Yoshimura slip-on. Let's give it a rev and see how it sounds. Yeah, it's sounding awesome. I've also put a K&N air filter on it. As you can probably see, I've got the Pazzo brake lever and clutch lever. I think this is a 540 gold chain, and it's got the gold super sprocket on it, which is an aluminium internal riveted to a steel sprocket. I've also got the Super Corsa Diablo tyres from Pirelli, which are very, very soft and grippy, which I like. And I've just gone ahead and put the Super Corsa Pirelli Diablo rubber stickers on the tyres. Also, there's a fender eliminator to get rid of that rear guard. And overall, I've been very, very happy with it. Let's go grab that coffee. I just gave it a quick shine with some furniture polish, would you believe? Tends to make the plastic really pop without giving it a slimy feel. Yeah, it sounds great. Very overcast day in Melbourne. It's not that cold. It's probably ideal temperature for me. I like running a bit cooler. should be no rain today. It actually is a bit cool. I can feel that through the leather jacket, through the gloves. But any day's a good day to be on the bike. I should have come to a complete stop there. And to all those wondering, this is completely legal in Victoria, just parking on the footpath. We'll just run it up.